In a world where change is the only constant, young minds are needed more than ever. So here are 7 ways young people can be a force of positive change within a community. Volunteering. It's not just a word, but a powerful action. When you offer your service to worthy causes, you transform lives besides your own and build bridges for community development that will last for ages. Community cleanups. When hands unite for cleanliness, every street shines brighter and every corner whispers the tales of your collective effort. Look around you. The only problem should be what hour you begin. Mentorship. It's the torch of wisdom passed on, lighting the paths for those who follow. Remember the phrase, one hand helps the other? So if you are good at math, science, reading or computers, go ahead and help a younger pupil. When the younger generations are better educated, your entire community benefits. Community-based projects. These are the heartbeats of your neighborhood. They pump life and vibrancy into schools, shops, playfields, and even the final resting place of your loved ones. Again, look around you, talk to your friends. There is always something you can do. Support local. Choosing your local shops over colossal chains can be a challenge. However, it is a small price for making a huge difference and nurturing the roots of your community's economy. Remember, each small business that prospers brings an opportunity for new ideas to thrive. Care for your elderly. In the twilight of life, your elders need you as you will eventually need the generations behind you. So give a helping hand. Be a listening ear. Show a warm smile and ask them how they are. A simple action can mean the world to them. And let's not forget, peacemaking and disagreement handling. In an era when simple disagreements often result in irreparable harm and suffering, these critical skills don't just prevent, stop, or resolve conflicts, they weave the fabric of a friendly and harmonious society. So here's my question to you. Will you be a bystander or a young catalyst of change, transforming your communities one action at a time?